Have you ever wondered if a simple green juice could transform your health? Imagine starting your day not with coffee, but with a glass of fresh celery juice. Intriguing, right? This vibrant green drink is more than just a pretty color. It's packed with nutrients that promise to revitalize your skin, hair, and overall health. Celery juice has gained a spotlight in the world of wellness for a reason. It's not just another health fad. From celebrities to health gurus, everyone seems to be singing praises of this humble vegetable's juice. But what makes celery juice so special? Is it really the elixir of youth, as some claim? As we dive deeper into the benefits of celery juice, you'll discover not just the cosmetic advantages, but the profound impact it can have on your overall well-being. This section sets the stage for a journey into the world of celery juice, unraveling its secrets and how it can be a game changer for you. Celery juice might seem like a modern trend, but its use dates back centuries. Originally, celery was used medicinally by the ancient Greeks and Romans, who recognized its potent healing properties. It was not just a food, but a remedy for various ailments, including colds and flu. In the 16th century, celery moved from the gardens of nobility to the tables of the masses across Europe. It was revered not only for its health benefits, but also for its flavor-enhancing properties. But how did this traditional vegetable turn into a must-have juice for the health-conscious? The transformation began with the juicing revolution in the early 21st century, when health enthusiasts started looking for purer, more potent forms of nutrients. Celery, with its high water content and nutrient-rich profile, became an ideal candidate. This led to the birth of celery juice as a staple in the diet of those seeking vitality and youth. What's exactly in celery juice that makes it so beneficial? First off, it's packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, vitamin C, potassium, and folate. These nutrients are vital for maintaining various bodily functions, from blood clotting to immune system support. Moreover, celery juice contains a unique compound called luteolin, an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant agent. This compound helps neutralize free radicals and can significantly reduce inflammation in the body, which is often a precursor to many chronic diseases. But that's not all. Celery juice is a great source of hydration. Its high water content helps maintain the balance of body fluids. This is particularly beneficial for your skin and hair, which thrive on adequate hydration. Let's find out how these nutrients specifically benefit your skin and hair in the following sections. Drinking celery juice can lead to glowing, healthier skin, thanks to its hydrating power and the presence of skin-friendly nutrients. Regular consumption helps clear toxins from the skin, which can reduce the occurrence of acne and blemishes. Imagine waking up to clear, radiant skin every day. Additionally, the antioxidants in celery juice help combat oxidative stress, one of the major contributors to aging. By neutralizing harmful free radicals, these antioxidants can help slow down the aging process, giving you youthful skin for longer. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of celery juice can soothe conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Many users report a significant reduction in redness and irritation after incorporating celery juice into their daily routine. This is not just a cosmetic improvement, but a deeper, more beneficial change in skin health. Your hair also reaps significant benefits from celery juice. The rich array of vitamins and minerals can boost the strength and growth of your hair. Potassium, in particular, helps regulate the fluid balance in your cells, including those of your scalp, promoting healthy hair growth. The silica in celery juice is a building block for strong hair and nails. This often overlooked mineral not only promotes hair growth, but also improves hair texture, making it less prone to breakage. Imagine fewer hair strands on your brush each morning. Furthermore, the scalp's health is crucial for hair growth, and celery juice's antibacterial properties can help maintain a healthy, dandruff-free scalp. Regular consumption might reduce scalp issues, leading to less itchiness and flaking. This creates the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. Celery juice isn't just good for your skin and hair. Its health benefits extend much further. For starters, its cleansing effect on the liver can boost your overall energy levels. A well-functioning liver helps to purify your blood, enhancing your vitality and vigor. Furthermore, the high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in celery can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and arthritis. These compounds help keep your blood vessels healthy and reduce inflammation throughout your body. Additionally, the digestive benefits of celery juice are remarkable. It can improve your gut health by increasing stomach acid, which helps in digesting food more efficiently. This can lead to fewer digestive problems like bloating and constipation, making you feel more comfortable and energized throughout the day. Integrating celery juice into your daily life is simpler than you might think. The best time to drink celery juice is in the morning on an empty stomach, as it allows your body to absorb all the nutrients effectively. Just 16 ounces of fresh juice can kickstart your day on a healthy note. You don't need a fancy juicer to start. A simple blender and a strainer can do the job. Just blend the celery until smooth, strain it, and your juice is ready to drink. Always use fresh organic celery to get the most benefits from your juice. For those who find the taste a bit strong, consider starting with smaller amounts or mixing it with other juices like apple or cucumber for a more palatable flavor. As your body adjusts, you can gradually increase the amount of celery juice and decrease the additives. Hearing from those who have experienced the transformative effects of celery juice can be incredibly inspiring. Take, for example, Sarah, a 34-year-old marketing professional who noticed significant improvements in her skin and energy levels after just 2 weeks of drinking celery juice daily. Then there's James, a retired school teacher who found that his digestion improved remarkably. He shared that not only did his regular bloating reduce, but he also felt more active and less weighed down by digestive discomfort. These stories are just a snapshot of how celery juice has helped many. From clearer skin and more robust hair to improved digestion and increased energy, the benefits are as varied as they are impressive. These testimonials provide real-life proof of the potency of this simple green juice. While celery juice is a fantastic option, it's not the only juice that can help you maintain youthful skin and hair. Acai berry juice, with its high levels of antioxidants, is excellent for fighting signs of aging. Similarly, cucumber juice offers superb hydration, perfect for keeping your skin supple and your hair silky. Another great choice is carrot juice, which is rich in beta-carotene. This not only gives your skin a healthy glow, but also protects it from sun damage. Mixing these juices with celery can enhance their benefits, making your juice not only more flavorful, but also more potent. Exploring different juice combinations can keep your daily routine exciting and flavorful while maximizing health benefits. Each juice brings its unique set of nutrients to the table, making your journey towards better health a delicious experiment. Now that we've uncovered the magic of celery juice and peeked into other beneficial juices, what's next? The journey to improved health and youthful vitality doesn't stop here. It's an ongoing adventure, one that involves exploring, experimenting, and discovering what works best for your body. Ageless healthXhub offers more insights, tips, and guides on how to live a healthier life. From detailed juice recipes to wellness strategies, the Hub is a treasure trove of resources waiting to be explored. Why not dive deeper into this vibrant world of health and vitality? As we wrap up our celery juice journey, remember that each small step you take can lead to significant health improvements. Whether it's adding a glass of celery juice to your morning routine or mixing it up with other nutritious juices, each sip is a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Cheers to your health.